What a fantastic day. You feeling good? Haere mai.
I think Jason got so many gold nuggets out of just being here today. Like, there's so much in reporting that you don't know what you don't know.
Yeah.
And so coming here, we know a bit more what it can do. So now we're going to go back, and I think it will change our management systems a hell of a lot better.
New ideas and expand on what you already do. Like the reporting side, I think is going to be amazing. You know, it's only just touched on in the past, but to see where it's going and what it can do, it's just opening doors for us.
It's helped us realise that we need to engage a professional services team, and there's so much that we're not utilising.
The flights coming here at day of work, it's nothing compared to actually what he's learned today.
The value, right?